Hello and welcome from me, Dina Marais, to this video about creating your getting clients strategy. If you've watched my previous video, you would see that I talked about the 6 essentials to create your purposeful, prosperous business. And if you haven't watched that yet, please do yourself a favor and watch that, as it gives you a great overview of what it takes to create a purposeful, prosperous business. And I also said there that we are creating a whole range of trainings, and this is about creating your getting client strategy, because that's the first thing we want as coaches, don't we? We want clients. So for me, getting clients is like a treasure hunt. And in order to embark on this journey of a treasure hunt, is you need to have some things in place. You have prerequisites. You first have to obviously know where you're going. Where is this treasure? I'm using this metaphor of a treasure hunt because clients is your treasure. Your clients is your treasure in your business. And if you go on this journey, embark on this journey to go and find them, you first have to know who they are or what you're looking for and why are you looking for them. Because that refers to your goal. You know, we have a vision of our business. That's actually essential number 7. You have a vision of your business, and as part of that, outcomes for the year and for your 90 days is about getting clients. And we get clients for various reasons. We get clients for a launch, for a promotion, building your list. And it's fantastic. It's actually essential to have a goal of the number of clients you want to get for everything in your business. Every new project, promotion, launch, building your list, etc. So know who they are. And of course, this means that you know your niche. Your niche is sorted. And why you're looking for them. What is your goal? What is your intention? And then the thing of going onto a treasure hunt is you will want to know, where you're going. So where are you going to find them? Where do they hang out? Offline and online. What I said on social media, and which one on social media? Which social media? I mean, there's so many. Okay, we talk a lot about Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube, but what is really appropriate for your clients, to find your clients? And even if it is on Facebook or LinkedIn, which groups? What you want to know here is, where do they meet, or where do they go to find questions to their answers? And to find inspiration. And what are their desires, and where do they go to maybe satisfy that? So it's important to ask yourself these questions so that you can locate the right and the appropriate groups to find your clients. The next question that's really important is, how do you engage with them? How do you build rapport with them? Where do you meet them at? Here we talk about verbal and conceptual pacing when we talk about building rapport. So ask things like, what do they value that you can talk about? What do you value? What does your brand stand for that you want to share with them? What do they have to know about you? What do they know about their problem? These are all things that how are you engaging with them? And of course, this all comes down to language. And you want to tap in and connect and tune in to the language or the conversation that they're already having in their minds, in their heads, with themselves and with their friends. And this engagement with them also, of course, relates then to, how do you drive traffic? How do you invite them to come to your website? And there are so many ways of driving traffic. There is joint ventures, podcasts, blogs, social media as well, advertising, telesummits, live events. All of these are ways to drive traffic to your website. But of course, which ones are the most lucrative for you? Which ones are the most effective for you? And once they get there, is what do you have for them that will compel them to sign up with you? Of course, your lead magnet is absolutely crucial. Does it solve a high top of mind problem for them? Is it sexy? Is it inviting? Is it compelling for them to sign up? And of course, the next thing, the next question is about your systems and processes. Now, once they signed up, so now what? What do you have in place for them? Your autoresponders, where you can welcome them and then nurture them and sell to them. So these are the things that are important in creating your unique strategy for getting clients. And if you want to take this further to really dive in, then we have a VIP business breakthrough virtual workshop to design your getting client strategy on the 11th of April. This is a lovely, fun workshop. It's 3.5 hours. It has a 30-minute follow-up, individual follow-up with you. So what you are getting is you're getting clarity on your strategy and all of those questions. All of those, you're going to work with all of them. You will walk away with a plan that you can immediately implement. You'll get all my templates that you can use over and over again. Tips, strategies. You can ask your questions. And you also get access into the Facebook group where you can get further support and support each other. And also a question that I've had before is that, what if we all, we have the same niches, and what if we're doing the same thing and we're looking for the same kind of clients? You know what? I am very much for the creative mind, not the competitive mind. I believe there is more than enough for everyone. And even if you would talk to the same audience, and even if you would do the same thing, there is a difference. There's always a difference. It's always your unique secret sauce, your unique way of doing something. And I mean, let's face it, we are not a one size fits all. So it's no problem if everybody on the workshop does exactly the same. Okay, so you're also getting a 30-minute one-on-one follow-up with me. And there we will discuss any questions you have and also next steps. So your investment for this amazing fun workshop is only $297. And I have a special offer for you. If you book now before Thursday, or this is until Thursday, end of Thursday, you get a $50 discount, you only pay $247. If you're South African and you want to do an EFT, the investment is 2,800 Rand. And if you pay before Thursday, you only pay 2,300 Rand. And if you take a closer look, you'll also see that I've given you a discount on the exchange rate. All right, so this is still a little bit of a manual process. As I said before in the previous video, I'm busy implementing WooCommerce on my website, and that's why this is just a little bit manual at the moment. However, you can just go to PayPal, and this is my email address that you can pay your fee into, purposefulbusiness@gmail.com. It's only one L for the purposeful, just note that please. And in the note, just put their VIP workshop. I will get the email, I will get your email address, and you will receive an email back from me with instructions within 6 hours. Okay. So just so that you know that this is the first VIP Business Breakthrough virtual workshops. And as I said in the previous video, I have a bundle offer for you. This is the schedule of the next 5 workshops. If you find yourself that you want to do all of them, you will buy 5, you will only pay for 4. And if you buy 3, you will get a $150 discount. South Africans, again, you get a hell of a discount. Sorry about the extra note there. If you buy 5, is 10,900, not 100 or 9,000. Buy 3 is only 6,900. You can just email me for bank details. Okay, and if you want to do this, same process, PayPal, purposefulbusiness@gmail.com, and just in the note the VIP bundle, and we will liaise of which ones it is that you want within 6 hours. Thank you so much. This is just a final show up of what it is that you are getting for this workshop, and what is your investment. And I'm really excited about doing these workshops. I think it will create great value. Of course, this workshop is for you, just very important here. If your niche is sorted, okay, you really need to have your niche sorted. I really do not recommend you doing this workshop if you don't have your niche sorted. That's going to be workshop number 3. To have your niche sorted, we always want to look for better strategies on how to get our clients, and this will definitely open up your mind and give you a great plan to implement immediately. Great, wonderful, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the 11th of April. Take advantage of this offer until Thursday and get save $50. Thank you so much. Radio, bye-bye.